Hey everybody, so this video is not the actual solutions video. This video, I changed the numbers slightly to show you how to do it, and then you can go back to the original checkpoint and fix your work using the original numbers and fix it, click resubmit, ask me to regrade it, and then I can give you a new grade on the division checkpoint. So I kept the divisors the same, but the dividends I changed. But this is mostly to show you the strategy and all the steps. Let's get started. 384 divided by 7. On your test, it was 739 divided by 7. Essentially, it's going to be the same steps. We always start with dividing by the hundredths place or the largest place first. So what number times 7 will get us to 300, right? Because it's in the hundredths place. What number times 7 gets us to 3? Well, there is no whole number, so you could put a 0 up here, or you could just skip straight to 38. So 7, what number times 7 gets you to 380, or 38? Well, we know that that's going to be 5. Let's go ahead and we always put the 5, let's change that to title. We always put the 5 right above the place value we're multiplying into. 7 times 5 is 35. Now let's go ahead and do our subtraction to see if there's any left over. So 38 minus 35 is 3. So we do have 3 that we have not divided yet. Let's bring down our 4. And we'll have, now the 3 will be a 34. How many times is 7 multiplied into 34? Well, we know that it's going to go in evenly 4 times. 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 5 is 35, which is too much. So let's go ahead and put down our 28 here. Is there any left over that we still need to divide? Yes, there is. 20. We regroup this 3, make it a 2, and then that makes this a 14. So 14 minus 8, we know is 6. So we still actually have 6 left over. Does 7 go into 6? No, it doesn't. So that's going to be our remainder here. So we're going to have 54 remainder 6. All right. That is a complete great answer. For the original question, go ahead and do these steps. It's going to be slightly different because that first 7 will give you one more level, but that's fine. Jumping here, and then always remember to circle your answer when you're done. That way, that's where I can look. All right, 2,891 divided by 12, right? The divisor is different. On the quiz, it was 3,146, but the steps essentially are the same. What is the largest number you can multiply 2 by to get into the thousands place, this 2,000? Well, this 12 does not go into the 2 for the 2,000, so we're going to jump straight to the 28. In order to help you, you could throw that 0 up to remember where to put your answer. But for this case, we're just going to go 12 into 28. We know that 12 times 2 is 24. So that gets us close to 28 without going over. So I'll leave it like that. Let's subtract, see how much more we have left over to divide. 28 minus 24 is 4. Okay, 8 minus 4 is 4. 2 minus 2 is 0. So we still have our 4 left over to add to our next level, which is our 9. Bring the 9 down. And so we have 49. So how many times does 12 go into 49? 12, 24, 36, 48. Okay, that's 4. 12 times 4 is 48, which gets us close to 49 without going over 48. Let's subtract now to see if there's any left. Yes, there is. So 49 minus 48, 9 minus 8 is 1. 4 minus 4 is 0. So we have 1 left over from this row, and bring down the ones place 1, which will give us actually 11 left over. Does 12 go into 11? No. Are there any more places? No, there are not. So that means we have 11 remainder. Let's go ahead and add that into our answer here. So 24 remainder 11. Great. So let's go ahead and circle that. And that is essentially how you solve. Now, I think that for both of these, the digits went into the first one, which will give you an additional step. But essentially, it's the same strategy here. You're doing your steps, you're dividing, you're multiplying to get whatever the answer was, you're subtracting to figure out if there is any more remaining to divide, you bring down the next place value, and you carry on through it. I hope this helped you. Even though it is the same test with different numbers, you can go ahead and just jump straight onto the one that I've already graded, fix it, write to me, I'll regrade it, update Skyward,